Dreaming of becoming doctor? Study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Haganyo tarek unailar araja arpunrio ka St. Anthony's College Shillong kala rakhi buram ya kasngi klat jong Captain Clifford Nongrum uway nagisipay kasi ubla IT ya laga jingim nakabenta kari hagatma Kargil persya ya ka Pakistan House nam khat khandai spa khandai pukhandai. Hagaring sngi lay don lang ka kami berukpa jong Captain Nongrum nolor Brigadier Thongam JS SC Group Commander NCC Group Headquarters Shillong kumukongsan u Principal ka College upadar Epuwen Father Yohanes Warpakma Rector ka College Retired Brigadier William Sturgeon uway nakikina barim jong ka College kinohikay ki Samla Puli ka College kantop ya ki NCC Cadets ka College u Colonel Vishak Madhok Commanding Officer 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC Shillong Lieutenant Colonel Samarpal Training Officer, NCC Group Headquarters, Shillong, Lieutenant Garland Star Sweat, Associate NCC Officer ANO, NCC Unit St. Anthony's College, Shillong, Ms. Daya Pira Karsati, Caretaker Training Officer, CTO St. Anthony's College, Shillong, Subidar Major Monil 1000, 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC Shillong, Nalor Kiwe. Habakran haganigasngi u Brigadier Thongam ulay thu yakarukam kumno bagatma Kargil jong snam khat khandai spa khandai pukhandai kalashim yaki babon ki jingim jong sipai hakarukam ka bansa kan mau ulay thu bakumno Captain Nongrum ulay alam yakakun hon sipai jong u ban yakun persya yaki Nongshun Haduh ban de yo ban Pynliem riungut ki Nongshun marway wat hadin bola sya siat bon Kuli ki Kuli.
All the vacant posts, and his case is the Kyrwohs, we call the shepherds. That's how they occupied all the higher peaks. It was only on 3rd of May 1999. It was detected that intruders have come inside our territory. So that's how the campaign started. And after that, the whole thing got mobilized, and that's how the Kargil war started. And it was on 26th of July, all the posts occupied by the infiltrators were uprooted and thrown out of the country. That's why 26th July is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas, or we call it Vijay Divas Day. One life is not enough. Given a choice, I'll still opt for this army and then fight for the country. So what I want to bring out is, whatever sacrifice of our heroes is not go waste. And at any time of the day, there's a soldier standing there at a border, so that everyone can live peacefully at your home or any other places. So that's what it is. Even when you are in the post, even any soldier, when he's 10, life of so many billions are on him. Because we trust him, that's why he's standing, that's why we're speaking. For that, every 2 hours, the soldiers is standing on the borders and guarding our frontier. So that's what it is. So when my sentry is standing, the whole thrust is on him. That's why we're speaking. So my artist request to everyone is, please have a mind, thought, prayer for each and every soldier standing in our frontiers. Thank you.
Let us remember that freedom is never free. It is earned through the courage of those who choose the nation above themselves. May the life and sacrifice of late Captain Clifford Nongshun and many more brave sons of the country continue to inspire us to live with integrity, serve with humility, and love our country with unwavering pride. Thank you. Jai Hind, evermore, better ever.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.